We are Becca and Matt.
And we're full-time travelers working remotely.
We are currently traveling the United States with our 13-foot Burro camper.
And our 2 cats, Grace and Peach.
Right now, we are exploring the Northeast for the summer.
And then heading back west before winter.
Like and subscribe to follow along our journey.
Cheers!
Hello from our new state, Vermont. We just crossed the border after leaving our campground, New Hampshire. It wasn't very long before we already were in Vermont. So we'll be spending the weekend in this state at a state park near Burlington. So let's go. It's already a beautiful drive. We made it to our new campsite. We are in Grand Isle State Park in Vermont. State Park is on an island, the largest island actually in Lake Champlain. We'll confirm that. And I'm pretty sure the lake is between Vermont and New York. So we're gonna be hanging out here for the weekend. And yeah, it's pretty nice. We're in a shaded part. We don't have view of the water, but the beach isn't far away, so that'll be nice. And no electricity, no electricity or water hookups. So it'll be more of a old school camping weekend, but we kind of need it, so. It's been a few hours since we last spoke, and it's dinner time. And take a long guess at what we're having. You got it. It's pizza on the fire. Look at that beauty. We'll see if it tastes good, but it's kind of hard to make pizza not taste good. Come on.
Where is she?
All right, the final product. I think next time we're going to use a cast iron as a lid on top of our steel plate so that the top and bottom cook more evenly. But if anyone out there has any experience with making pizzas on a fire pit or on an open fire, let us know. We can use all the help we can get. Not all the help. We're not helpless. Anyways, I'm hungry and delusional now.
Alright, can't even lie. Been kind of a rough day. Got a gash in my head from the Ozark Trail. We'll explain that later. Also, look at this cat. Get back over here. Come on. All day. Since 8 a.m. That's what we're dealing with. Oh, someone's feisty too. This is the life we chose, huh? The life we chose.
The life chose me. Did you get that? Small beach. Tastes like maple?
Sweet.
heading to our boat now. Which one's ours?
Right here.
Here it is. Look at those mountains back there. Hi. Mad's dream. So we just spent a lovely afternoon in Burlington, Vermont. I think it's definitely one of our favorite cities that we visited in a little bit while. Granted, it was a beautiful Saturday, so people were out, there were markets, all that good stuff. But now we're back at our car on our parking deck and we're working actually on this week's video. And that's because at our campsite we don't have really good service. We also don't have electric hookups, so you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We're finally back at our campsite. We got the fire going, we got some ravioli cooking. We're gonna hang out here for the evening after a very lovely day in Burlington. Tomorrow we're here, but we're actually moving sites because this site was only available for 2 nights. So we're actually going to that site right here next door to us, just for 1 night. But hopefully my parents are gonna actually be joining us for 1 night because they're kind of chasing our heels. They're making their way from east to west coast as well, but they're doing it in 3 weeks because they're on a time crunch. They have other things planned in a couple weeks here. So anyways, they're on the same route as us, so we figured we'd hang out when we can. So that'll be tomorrow night. And yeah, right now we're just gonna have a relaxing evening.
Come and tell me what you need to know. We can stalk it.
Even the gas stations are picturesque here in Vermont. Look at that, just a pretty little field.
What you want to know, and we can go from here. Oh, it just keeps turning, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need, what it is you bleed for. Longing in your neck, deeply burning for you. Are you staying with me?
Can't leave Vermont with a little maple syrup. And we also bought a banana chocolate chip bread. Looks so good.
Quiet now. No sound. Let our hands do the talking. Hands do the talking now. Do you see how this fire grows rapid and nobody knows how it started or where it will go? I can't stop